Hello, I just wanted to touch base with you. A lot of teachers are asking me, how am I using Verisurf's Master3DGage to inspect the Titans of CNC building blocks? Well, first of all, let me show you a few things. Part of it is Inspection Arsenal's gauge plates, which is super awesome. So this was a Titan 2M that I just got done inspecting. Let's say another part comes up, another student comes up and, hey, you need to do Titan 1 inspection. I actually have the students utilize this AutoInspect routine. So let me show you how quick and easy this is to switch out. So I just finished this 2M, set it aside, set it down here, pull out the 1M plate that I have set up, clips into the load and lock rail. I put this in, clamps down the part, locks in all direction of movement. Then I'm gonna go ahead and the student would bring up my AutoInspect routine that I already have made up. The student would put their information in the header, and then we go ahead and the student would hit play. Right off the bat, it tells me that I need to use the 6mm probe. So not a problem, because the information for calibration is stored in the tip. I can switch during the process. So now that ding says that, hey, I've got the correct probe in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and align the part. And again, right now, this is put the probe on the target where I think it should be. It's aligning the real 3D part to the virtual model. And you can see as it goes through and it's hit more points, that probe is now in the correct orientation and is aligned to the part. Now that the auto align is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring planes. And this is what the students are learning, how to safely operate a CMM, a portable arm CMM, and they're learning and noticing that, oh, it's just not as simple as clicking an edge. What we're doing is measuring planes, and then we report out the difference between those planes. All right. It's reminding me I've set this up to say, hey, remember you need a go, no go gauge to check the threads. Now I'm going to go into checking fillets or radiuses. Switch out, so I can switch mid-program. Pull out the 6, put in the 3mm. Then continue. And there you have it. That is the inspection from my AutoInspect routine that I've gone through the prints, figured out what needs to be inspected. The students do this and then they bring up their inspection report, and here is their name, their CNC Expert ID number, and here's all their measurements. Not only are they doing this, but they're also manually measuring it too. So they get a manual measurement and a CMM measurement for every Titan part. I'm telling you, between Verisurf, AutoInspect routines, and Inspection Arsenal, being able to switch out from student to student, no matter what part the student brings up, switching out on the fly like this, it's super awesome. So Inspection Arsenal and Verisurf is a perfect combination for education. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you with it and show you what I know. Thank you very much. Bye.